is our first of 4 flights in 1 week.
We're going Bangkok, Phuket, Phuket, Singapore, Singapore, Istanbul, Istanbul, Athens.
Bada boom, bada bing. This is our 1 week of flying to Europe. We're the last people on the plane.
Welcome to Phuket.
Okay, so we were a little slow getting in this one. We wanted to get a snack. We almost missed our flight. We're about to fly to Singapore. Guys, we made it to Singapore. Okay, so we're in Singapore, and the joke is that there's security cameras everywhere. Literally everywhere there are cameras. It's crazy. We had a fantastic time. Bye. To the airport. We're about to enter the Crown. Wow. Look at this thing. I'm not even as impressed by this. I'm more impressed by like all this, man. Like it's a living city. This, eh? This one?
This one.
Okay. Oh, they're all connected.
Door A was first class, and she looked at us and we're like, what door? And she just pointed to door B. She didn't even ask if we were first class.
That legroom looked really nice in first class.
Yeah, might have to splurge on the way home.
Here we go.
Our love was untested, never rested, slipping through our city fingers, always dressed up but never picked up. Watch every headlight cruising past our door. Oh, who's gonna pick us up? Oh, the night is starting to ache. Who's holding the reins? Oh, and that song, our satellite that sings to us in the universe, which is hard stone, it's so easily broken, like crumbling ruins off the coast of Spain. Watchman.
we are in Europe. Can you believe that, guys? 4 months in and we're in Europe.
They're waiting for a train.
Light up torches and search the fields behind the houses. Oh, our love is hungry and cold. Oh, here in the first snow. Oh, leave a trail of stones. Oh, so we could make it back.
Welcome to Europe, baby.
Oh, our love is hungry and cold. Oh, our love is hungry.
Almost there.
Oh, our love is hungry and
This does feel like a pretty good dream to me.